ocean, but he made something strange. Then, boom, the sound here. So he thought maybe putting it into camels would be fun. So he tried to put it into a small tree trunk and throw it into the fire. Then the sound exploded again. Kaboom! Then people use the thing that is to go. Then one day there was a fighting. They used lots of fire, those things, and burn them in fire. There was too much fire, so the fire gets bigger, bigger, and bigger. Soon there was a fire. There was a very big fire. The people ran in scared. And then the time passed. The tree trunks were celebrated so to chase spirits away. They used to blow in Halloween so spirits won't be able to come and harm. But then man who was seeing this, the man think if the bell was bigger, it was color. What if there were stars with colorful in the sky? Then he thought of something like blowing up and then disappeared, and then blowing up and disappeared. Then he thought of the sound of the kaboom. He think the looking and sound would be better, but would be better than hearing the sound. So he made a firework. That was when fireworks was made. It's played, then they changed it. He bring to the other countries and share his idea. The other countries thinks the idea was good, so they start making, and now the world is spreading with the fireworks.
มีใครก็